Hello everyone, welcome to Kitchen Hunt, and today I will tell you how to make yummy and easy appetizer at your home. It's a very easy and interesting recipe which you can easily make. It is cheesy triple layer bread sandwich. It is super cheesy and super delicious in taste. So for making this video, you have to watch this video till end and let's see what ingredients we need to make this. So let's start the recipe. The ingredients we need are bread, vegetables such as cucumber, onions and tomatoes, other vegetables as boiled corns and capsicum, cheese, garlic and red chili, salt, black pepper, red ketchup, green salt, chutney, peri peri masala and oregano. So let's see the procedure. In an empty bowl, take out all the vegetables which you have chopped properly, such as onions, chopped capsicums and chopped tomatoes. You can also take other vegetable if you wish, like carrots and so on, and boiled corns. Now you have to take red ketchup, which is also known as tomato ketchup, and in tomato ketchup you have to add garlic, chopped garlic, or you can use garlic paste and chili flakes, and mix all three ingredients very well. We are doing this to make as like type of a pizza sauce. And now in the chopped vegetables in the bowl, add mayonnaise, after adding mayonnaise you have to mix it very well. All the vegetables should be mixed properly with the mayonnaise, and after mixing mayonnaise and all the vegetables, add your red ketchup with garlic and red chili flakes. Again mix it well. I'm adding a little more ketchup to bring more nice taste. And you have to mix all the vegetables and sauces very well. After mixing, add salt and black pepper. After this, you have to add oregano and mix very well all the ingredients. The sauces should be mixed with the vegetables very well. Now the next step is to take a bread on the plate and apply green chutney, which is known as pudina chutney. It's a homemade green chutney. Gently apply green chutney on the bread. If you don't have green chutney, you can even apply mayonnaise or red ketchup, whatever you wish. But green chutney brings a very different and refreshing taste. After adding this, the vegetable which we have made it, this vegetable we have to apply this on the bread and chutney. Apply very well in the corners and in the center. Fill the bread very well with chopped vegetables and sauces. Now after applying bread, again keep a piece of bread and a tomato ketchup with garlic and chili flakes, apply on the another bread. It's a type of pizza sauce, and spread all on the corners of the bread. And now after applying sauce, keep onions, tomatoes and cucumber on the bread. such like this in the order. And after applying all these vegetables, sprinkle little bit of salt and black pepper. After this, sprinkle little bit of oregano. Oregano brings a very nice taste in every recipe. And a peri peri masala. After sprinkling both of these spices, you have to add mozzarella cheese on the bread. Sprinkle it very well on the corners as well as in the center. After sprinkling cheese, apply another piece of bread. Gently put the bread piece, and after keeping a piece of bread, you have to apply a little bit of butter. Apply the butter all over the bread properly. We are applying butter so that our bread doesn't become so hard, it becomes a little bit soft as well. Gently apply the butter. After applying butter on the bread, sprinkle a lot of cheese at the top of the bread so it becomes super cheesy. As well, it's look really yummy in the look. And sprinkle some pieces of boiled corns at the top of cheese. And sprinkling a little bit of chili flakes. And little bit of black pepper. Now your sandwich has been ready to be baked in oven. We have to bake the sandwich in the oven for 180 degrees for 10 to 15 minutes. Be careful while keeping the sandwich in oven, and set an alarm at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 to 15 minutes. If you don't have oven, you can also make in microwave and set an alarm for 20 to 25 minutes. But in oven, the bread baked properly and easily in a short time. And your sandwich will be get ready in 10 to 15 minutes. Now, your triple layer sandwich is ready. Be careful by taking out the sandwich, and here is the final look. Your triple layer cheesy sandwich is ready. You can enjoy this. You can easily make at this your home with such ingredients. And as this is super easy, it is also very yummy in taste. And you can see how super cheesy it is. I'm sure you're gonna try this and you will gonna love this recipe. And you can enjoy this such yummy and easy appetizer at your home. You can enjoy this with tomato ketchup or with any cheesy dip. Try this and tell how you love this. If you like the recipe, click on the thumbs up button, subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching.